Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel to Curious Combo, where we break down the markets in a way that actually makes sense for us. And today we're diving into Friday's DAX price action, looking at the 1-hour chart here and later the 15-minute chart, seeing what key levels held and of course how the stochastics played out into the moves. Plus we'll check out the pre-market action now that Asia is open and see what's cooking as we head into the new trading week. So Friday was all about U.S. retail sales released in the morning, and that was the main catalyst, and as you can literally see in the reaction on the charts here. And so Friday was all about U.S. retail sales, and that was the main catalyst here in the morning hours, as you can literally see the price action on the charts. And the breakout move was here about 2 hours when the market opened. The DAX was pushing higher, but once the report dropped, we got a solid rally breaking through the key resistance levels. The breakout around 2,313, it was huge, and once we cleared that, it was game on all the way to 2,596-ish points. And if we talk about the stochastics, they were flashing some key signals here throughout the session. On the 1-hour chart, we had stochastics in the overbought zone after the big rally. This was the first sign that the pullback was likely here. And guess what happened? That's exactly what happened. The market cooled off a bit, but stayed in a tight range. So the range was about here, and this is what it looked like on the stochastics. They were a bit diverged from each other like this, so you really had to be careful. So to put it short, the US retail gave us a breakout, but once we hit the resistance here, the market went into consolidation, and it was pretty textbook action. And fast forwarding today, the US market today on February 17th are closed for President's Day, and that means we're looking to Asian markets for early clues on the sentiment on DAX. The Asian markets are mostly higher, Nikkei is flat, but topics gained some 0.29%, South Korea's Kospi is up, small caps to 1.2%, and Hong Kong's Hang Seng is up 0.23%. China's CSI 300 is pretty much flat, no major catalysts there waiting for us. And so if we look at the DAX stochastic, how they're shaping up in the pre-market, the 1-hour chart shows us that the stochastics have cooled off after being overbought. So now it's looking like the slow stochastics on 66.55 is now back in a more neutral range, especially the fast one. If buyers step in, we could see another leg higher, but we really need to watch this action here on the fast stochastics and how the range might be resisted here on the 2200, 500 points. But looking ahead, the big data release for Tuesday is the Empire State Manufacturing Survey. Last time it came way weaker than expected, -12 points, so traders will be watching to see how it rebounds. And also keep an eye on Fed speakers today, Harker, Bowman and Waller. Even though the market is closed, their comments could set the tone for the week. So Friday saw a big breakout on retail sales with resistance at 22,519. The stochastic signaled overbought, leading to consolidation. Asian markets are mixed, but no major risk-off sentiment there. Pre-market data stochastics are resetting. It could set up us for a bounce, let's see. But overall, that's the game plan for today and the start of the week today, Monday 17. Let me know in the comments, are you looking for a bullish continuation or are you expecting a deeper pullback? And don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe if you found this breakdown helpful. I'll see you again tomorrow.